Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the Pocket AI Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pocket AI Trading app on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, tap on the sign in button. Now you will be taken into the login page where you can find the password recovery button. Go ahead and tap on it and then enter your email address that you used while signing up for your account. After entering your email address, tap on the restore button and now you will be asked to enter the confirmation code that has been sent to your inbox. You can open up your email app and you will find this recovery code. Enter this code within the given box and then you can type in your desired new password underneath. After typing in your desired new password, tap on the send button and now your password has successfully been changed. You can tap on the sign in button in order to use your new password to log into your account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Pocket AI Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.